In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Hotmail opens blank page in Firefox on Windows. If you're trying to access your Hotmail account in Mozilla Firefox, and all you see is a blank page instead of your inbox, one possible cause is an incorrect date or time setting on your Windows computer. Many secure websites rely on your system's clock to establish encrypted connections. If the date or time is inaccurate, Firefox may have trouble loading the website correctly, resulting in a blank page or other unexpected behavior. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify and correct your Windows date and time settings. To get started, close Firefox if it's currently open, then open the Windows Start menu. From there, select Control Panel to access your computer's system settings. The Control Panel contains several configuration options, including the settings used to manage your system's date and time. Inside the Control Panel, click on Date and Time. This will open the Date and Time window, where you can review the current settings being used by your computer. Take a moment to check whether the displayed date and time are accurate for your current location. If you notice that the date or time is incorrect, remain on the Date and Time tab and click the Change Date and Time button. A new dialog box will appear, allowing you to make adjustments to both the calendar and the clock. First, use the calendar to select the correct date. Be sure to choose the current day, month, and year so your computer is synchronized with the correct calendar date. After that, move to the time field and use the up and down arrows to adjust the hour, minutes, and seconds until the correct time is displayed. Once you've entered the correct date and time, click OK to save the changes in the Date and Time settings window. You'll then return to the main Date and Time window. Click OK once more to apply the changes and close the window. After updating your system clock, open Mozilla Firefox again and try accessing your Hotmail account. Since your computer now has the correct date and time, Firefox should be able to establish secure connections more reliably, allowing the web page to load as expected if the incorrect system clock was causing the problem. Keeping your computer's date and time accurate is important not only for web browsing, but also for secure connections, software updates, and many online services that depend on correct system time. That's all there is to it. Correcting your Windows date and time settings is a simple troubleshooting step that can resolve issues with Hotmail displaying a blank page in Firefox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,